I wanted to make this video to document the 250,000-mile Ford. It's a 2001 Ford Escape. I've owned it since about 80,000 miles. And right now it's got 259,401. We're going to start it up and show there's no check engine lights, even at over 250,000 miles. See, all the lights work. Let's go ahead and start it. Fires right up. Just my emergency brake lights on. And seatbelt light, because I ain't got the seatbelt on. But it runs smooth. As you can see, again, over 250,000 miles. 2001 Ford Escape V6. The Duratec engine, I believe. And no lights, no nothing on. Accelerates fine. Still got tons of power. There were some problems with it. No major ones. The only major problems in 250,000 miles. Sounds like the wheel bearings are going out. I got to replace those. The transmission did fail at about 130,000 miles. That could have been due to neglect from the previous owner. Don't know. Rebuilt it. Haven't had a problem since. No major engine mechanical issues. Obviously, the wear and tear items have been replaced. Brake pads, shocks, tires, that stuff. I think the radiator went out once. Had to do the AC compressor, condenser, and all that. Other than that, no major assemblies have went out. So at 250,000 miles, it's more than paid for itself. And we're just going to keep documenting it. And we're going to see if we can hit 300,000 and keep going from there. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks.